Hello, classmate. My name is Chris Y. Gordon. I served 20 years in the United States Navy. My project is on the Veterans Affairs Healthcare Management Information System Veterans Choice Program. Project outline. First, I will discuss the background, then moves to the current situation, and then the flow will go to the strategic plan of action, waterfall methodology approach to the system development life cycle, recommendation, use case diagram, data flow diagram, entity relationship diagram, management information system to include the billing, then lastly, conclusion. Background. This is the history, how choice program came about. April 2014, CNN reported 40 veterans died while waiting on care at the Veterans Health Administration facility. June of 2014, Veterans Affairs intern did an investigation. They identified a total of 35 veterans died while waiting for care from the VHA system. June 2014, an act came out that state veteran access to care through choice, accountability, and transparency. The choice program was designed for faster service and quick access to the doctors outside of the VA system and provide affordable care for the veteran. This is the current situation. The Veterans Choice Health Care Program allows the veterans to receive treatment within the network community of their choice if not seen by the VA medical facility in 30 days. The Veterans Choice Program representatives make the appointment using a patient management information system if the authorization for payment is not processed in a timely manner prior to patient appointment, the veteran is denied care until authorization is received. This happened to me a few weeks ago. I used the Veteran Care Choice Program. They made me an appointment. They gave me the date of my appointment. I showed up for my appointment and the authorization was not there. Therefore, my appointment was canceled, and I had to reschedule my appointment. As of now, I am still waiting on authorization. After doing a analysis on the current situation, a strategic plan of action will be done to investigate the current situation, address the current situation in a detailed report, suggest using the waterfall methodology approach to the system development lifecycle, and improving the as-is system. The next few slides will describe 10 activities that occur in each of the system development life cycle phases. Waterfall methodology approach to the system development life cycle. Here we have the different phases of the development during a system, and activity is taking place in each of these phases. It is highly recommended by scholars to complete each of these phases before moving to the next one. For example, you see the initiation phase, which is the organization background. You want to complete the organization background before you move to the system concept development. This is a continuation from the waterfall methodology approach. Recommendation. As an analyst, it was very important that I get with the organization key stakeholder to create value amongst the stakeholders. It is important to design the system to organization goals and objectives. Develop diagrams to map out the process in building the system. For example, use case diagram, DFD, and ERD as a tool to help develop or improve the new to be system. Test the to be system before rolled out to the veterans with a prototype. I stress this: test before rolled out. Use case diagram. Describe the basis of event for data request interaction between the veterans, veteran healthcare provider, administration, choice, program representative. Inside the box here are the activity that's taking place among the veterans, veteran healthcare provider, administration, and the choice program representative. This is a data flow diagramming. Basically, it is showing you how data is flowing from a external use to a internal. For example, you will see where it says start, veterans called for service, and you see how the data is flowing to 1.1. Basically just identify what level it's going through and who's responsible for that, and where the data is storing is at D1. Basically gonna check some information, make sure that the member is in the database. Entity relationship diagram management information system. If you can see in the blue, those are entity: patient, insurance carrier, doctors. Let's discuss the activity with the patient, okay? As you can see, the lines how it is drawn from age, occupation, blood type, social security. Those are external that relate to the patient. That's information that identify that patient. If you can look at the insurance carrier, it's do the same thing, okay? It's just unique with that particular entity. Conclusion. As of today, the Veterans Affairs continue to have problems with the Choice Healthcare Program Authorization Management Information System prior to patient appointment. This happened to me twice. Do you agree that the Management Information System at the Department Veterans Affairs using the Veteran Choice Program need improving? Below are references that you can check to see what type of problem the veteran are having as of today, and also send me your input, and I would like to know as far as your input as far as, do you think that we'll still have a problem? Again, this is Chris Y. Gordon. I'm bringing you information on the Veteran Affairs Program. Thank you for your time. This presentation is officially over.